Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a popular technology used in transportation field, vehicle to everything. Can you imagine how closely your car is connected to other vehicles and signal devices on the roadside when you are driving on the road? First, I will interpret what's vehicle to everything and its importance. Vehicle to everything has become a typical emerging technology in transportation industry, accompanied by the rapid development of information and communication technologies. It enables wireless information exchange among all the vehicles on the road to greatly prevent car accidents and enhance traffic efficiency. The reason why I choose to work on this technology is that traffic congestion has become an increasingly serious problem, and I wonder what technologies can be used to address this problem. Next, I will explain how this technology works. The V2X technology relies on both hardware and software, and it works like a circle. First of all, the vehicles sense their own information, such as speed, location, and driving status, through the sensors installed in vehicles and the roadside intelligent control devices. After that, these sensors will transmit the data which have been collected before through 5G networks, enabling other vehicles and the traffic lights to receive this data in real time. At the same time, these vehicles will integrate the received information with the information perceived by their own sensors, and then conduct a risk evaluation and make a decision on whether to send warning signals or intervene automatically to drivers. For instance, in the highway, if a car in front of you suddenly brakes, the sensors of this car will immediately send an emergency brake signal backwards through V2X technology, giving you sufficient time to react, although you cannot directly see what has happened in front. As a result, it's obvious that the wide application of V2X technology do have various advantages on transportation and safety. This emerging technology turns people, roads, and networks into a whole and build a smart and safe transportation system, which tremendously decreases the rate of car accidents and injury and death. In addition, the V2X technology is also conducive to the environment. It's mainly because knowing about the traffic conditions in advance can make your drive more smoothly and avoid braking suddenly, which will not only save energy, but also alleviate traffic jam. And this will in turn reduce the emission of carbon dioxide, enhance air quality, and contribute to a more sustainable future. However, we have to admit that the V2X technology still has some limitations and have a lot to improve. The main issue is that the effects can only be brought into play when the majority of vehicles and infrastructures are equipped with V2X technologies. Nevertheless, at the same time, the construction or enhancement of these roadside intelligent control devices and stable networks will definitely cost a huge amount of money. What's also worth mentioning is that the judgment of car accidents caused by wrong decision-making or communication delay of the V2X technology. The question of who should be responsible for the accidents still remains unsolved. However, despite these challenges, many pilot programs have already been conducted worldwide to promote this technology. For example, the V2X technology project has been carried out in Jiading, Lingang, in Shanghai, and they cooperate with some car companies to test several scenarios of V2X, which has been an important technical platform and the foundation of relevant standards. To summarize, the vehicle-to-everything technology plays a significant role in the transportation industry by reducing car accidents and enhancing traffic efficiency. Despite some limitations, V2X technology has the potential to change the way people travel and create a more connected and intelligent transportation system. In the future, the further development of V2X technology will focus on communication networks, which can not only greatly improve the accuracy and timely spread of traffic information, but also enhance interactions among vehicles, pedestrians, and infrastructures.